Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about the job that I would like to have in the future. I want to be a nurse because I like helping people. Nurses also work with paramedics, so both jobs are very important. A nurse has to take care of patients every day. He has to give medicine, check the patients, and help the doctors. Sometimes he has to work at night or on weekends. He doesn't have to wear formal clothes because he wears a medical uniform. Paramedics also have to arrive quickly when there is an emergency and help injured people. This job is not easy because there are some health risks. A nurse might catch a cold or catch the flu from patients. He may hurt his back when moving someone in bed. After a long shift, he will probably have a headache because he works for many hours. Maybe some days will be stressful, but I think he won't stop helping people. Imagine that I finish my shift and my coworker says, "What is the matter?" I answered, "My back hurts. It feels like I worked all day without a break." Then my coworker asks, "How can I help you?" I say, "I need some time for the pain. Can you get it for me?" After taking a short break, I will probably feel better and get back to work. I think being a nurse is a difficult job, but it is also a very meaningful one. I hope that one day I will have this job and help many people. Thank you for listening.